Hello everyone. So for today I was thinking we could do something with these time cards, and I was thinking about making like pockets with them. That could be easily made into tucks. So that's what we're gonna do. I'll pull out 5. So we'll just fold them over in that. And if you're wondering where I got these from, I just looked up time cards on Amazon, and this is what I found, and I just bought a bunch because you never know. So 4, 5. But I think I'm gonna just do a whole series on making time cards or doing stuff with time cards. So I think that would be just something fun to do. Make a whole different series of how to create with time cards. Different pockets and etc. with these. Or make these into tucks, maybe. I think they'd look better as tucks, to be honest. I'll hold this down for a few seconds. Ooh. Wasn't straight. Oh well. And I like mass making, you guys know this. I think mass making stuff is a way to build your stash, but also a way to make lots of journals at once. Instead of just one journal, we can make several. So we got that done. Now let's see, what else can we do? Well, I have this paper here. Why don't we use this? Now I'm not worrying too much about how I'm going about ripping this. It's just to create a little bit of something to this. And I'm not, again, doing it in any particular way. Other than ripping a piece and coming up with a spot to stick it, basically. Is Rosie playing on the PlayStation?
No.
Okay. But again, this is just a fun, unique way to add a little something to these pieces without necessarily spending too much time on it. Oh my goodness, doesn't want to come up. All right, put the scrap underneath here and bring out some more of this. Again, now I have this washi tape. Just add a little washi tape. And yeah, I'm kind of keeping it neutral, but that's okay. I'm just folding these pieces over. This one I kind of want cut off. Again, you can play with your pieces. You don't have to necessarily have them exactly the same. Each one's just a little bit different from the other. Now I'm going to grab some vocal points now that I got the background done. See what I can make. Yeah, it's like stuck in it. Oh my goodness. Okay. Don't know how I did that.
Come on, Rosie. Why do you keep on leaving
Well, at least the kids are getting along today. Put this in the background with this cute little heart here. Still cold in my mind. Anything below 30 is cold outside around here. So, still cold outside. And I kind of want corners on these, so I'm gonna cut some corners. Make them look a little tag-like. And if you decide you want it all of a sudden distressed after not distressing it at first, you can change it to a distressed look easily. And that's where I'm gonna do a quick show of how to do that. Now, like this part, there really isn't the greatest way of doing this without sticking like a scrap piece of paper or something like that inside your pocket here, and then just rubbing against it. And that gives it a little distressed look. So we got one done. And I think I'm going to cut my corners for the rest of these quick and put these, I might just do one more with you guys. Decorate one more just because I can. Ugh. Keep on wanting to move my hand differently than what I need it to. Again, I personally like the tag look for a tuck spot just because tagged looks for tuck spots make it easier to realize that it's a tuck spot. So there we go. We got these all cut out. Now, if you remember the embellishments we changed up the other day, I think I want to do it with one of these, but this is why we changed them. Is so then we can easily pop them down and have them a part of the journal. Except I think this one I want a corner punch. Nope, can't do it. So, I guess I'm not going to have this circular, but that's okay. Now, with something like this, I do like the hidden pocket type idea, because why not? Anything where you have like a square like this or something, you can easily turn into a small little pocket. And it works great, again, for like a little hidden pocket to add a little something to. So, like I have this piece of paper here. I'm just folding it a few times here. And now we can stick it in here and voila, we got another pocket with a little something to write in. Now I'm thinking something up here needs to be put up there. I'm just looking to see what's all with this collection. I don't really like that piece up there. But we could have something as simple as this circle here and glue it down to be a part of it and be done. To just give it a little bit more embellishment. So we got this one done and this one done, and these three I'm going to put in my to-do area, which I have this little basket of stuff that we've been mass making together, like the embellishments for these journals and stuff like that. So I've been kind of just sticking them in here, different things that I want to add to my current journals and pieces that I thought were kind of cute together and ideas. And I've been paper clipping them together so then we can, and these ones I even have on here what I need to, what's left for things to do with them. So this is, again, just cutesy little ways to finish up what's already made. And then the little embellishments, again, that I want to add to some of the different journaling stuff that I want to, or that I'm working on. So these are the to-dos pile. And then as they're done, I put them in the done container, which is actually across the way there. So that's how I'm going about doing it at this point. And I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial video of these cute little tuck spots from Timecards. And enjoy the rest of your day or night. And don't forget to check out down below the little tidbits. Bye!